loves, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not going to be a tutorial on this style, but it will be up soon, okay? But I was like, I need to get my intro down for this video because you all have been asking about how I gained weight and what I did to gain weight and, you know, how long it took me and everything like that. So in this video, I'm going to be going over some tips on how I gained weight and healthy weight. I'm not over here eating McDonald's and Burger King. If that's even open anymore, I don't know. But just, you don't want to sit here, everyone's like, oh, just eat McDonald's. No, that's not how it works at all. Like, you still need to get your nutrition, the right calories, okay? So I will be showing you all some meals that I like to prepare: lunch, breakfast, dinner. I didn't add my snacks in there just because I didn't really have like a layout of snacks. But I usually like to snack on like apples and peanut butter or almonds, anything like that that are healthy fats. One of the main tips and tricks is working out with weights. So I've been consistently working out with weights since June. And I have gained about 15 pounds, I believe. Let me calculate. So yeah, I've gained 16 pounds since June, and I started in June, and I think by August I could already tell that I was gaining weight. My pant size went up and everything. I just wanted to put on some muscle tone and be toned a little bit more than I was. I ran cross country and track in high school, and that's the complete opposite of what you want to be doing. So when I work out, I do only 10 minutes of cardio, whether it be the bike or running, and then I'll go into either leg day, arm day, full body, anything like that. I will start that day. So if you all want any workout videos, I will do that for you as well on this channel. Okay, let me get down to it. So working out with weights is one. Your calorie intake. I did not notice how important this was because I was like, oh, well, I'm eating, like, why am I not gaining weight? Okay, you have to track your calories. That is the only way I know what I eat, how much, everything like that. Like, people are like, why do you track your calories? It's because if I don't, I'm not going to hit my 2,000 calorie intake. Since I went to gain weight, I need to be consuming at least 2,300 calories a day. Now, I am not a professional. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a personal trainer. This is just what I did to get me to where I want to be. I researched, I watched some videos on other people on YouTube and what they did, and I was like, you know what, I think I can do this. So, of course, you're not going to see it like the next day, but over time you will. So the one app, I've literally been using this since I was in high school because my stepmom was like, oh, we get Humana points if you use MyFitnessPal. Okay, so MyFitnessPal is what I use to track my calories. So today, I've only ate 686 calories. But basically, what it does, you put in everything. You can even scan the barcode. So if you have, you know, like cereal, but it won't find it on the app, you can scan the barcode and it will put in the exact calories, protein, everything like that. So I love doing that. I don't hit my calories every day, especially when I'm working. You know, lunch is just kind of snacks. So if you go over, like, I'll show you this day that I recorded for you all, I went over like 300 calories. And that's okay because when there's other days that I don't hit it, that makes up for it. So don't be like, oh my God, I'm in this many, you know, calories. Like, it's fine. Okay, I'll show you. So this one's negative 254. And I'm going to show you when you save, complete your diary for the day. It's going to tell you about how much you would weigh in 5 weeks if you ate like that. So if I went negative that many calories every day, I would weigh, you know, 128. So I like that because, you know, if I'm just hitting 2,000, it's 2,500 calories is my goal. So if I'm just hitting that, I'm literally maintaining the weight I am. Does that make sense? If you go over, then that will put on more pounds. The first meal I have is breakfast. So breakfast, I'll either do sausage and eggs, bacon and eggs, yogurt, bread, anything like that. But in this meal, I did eggs with ham and cheese, and then I did a piece of toast with peanut butter and some coffee and a yogurt. Now with yogurt, I'm trying to kind of stay away from it because I've noticed that when I eat yogurt, I break out because I am lactose intolerant and milk is just not good for you in general. I usually do almond milk. Like, I've been drinking soy and almond milk since middle school. Literally, like, I've been lactose intolerant for a long time. But I have a lactate pill, so I can sit here and drink. I can take my pill before I eat, like a Greek yogurt. The only reason I got the Greek yogurts was because they have like 15 grams of protein just for a little yogurt. Like, that's so good. So if you know any alternatives to yogurts that, like, I know Silk has like their almond milk yogurt, but they only have like 4 grams of protein. So I'm like, really? Like, I want something that has more. But anyway, so I have that. I love to try to get in my calories early. That way, at the end of the day, if you've only ate like 500 calories, you don't have to sit here and, oh my god, I need to eat this, I need to eat that. Like, no, just try to get it in breakfast or lunch. That way, it's very full. So then for lunch, I did a smoothie. So I did strawberries, blueberries, oats, honey, vanilla, peanut butter, and almond milk and chia seeds. So I like to add, like, honey literally just adds 64 calories. So, like, that's good. Little things to even think about. A half cup of oats, y'all, 150 calories for just a half cup. So if you even wanted to up that to a cup, you'd be getting a lot of calories just off oats. But that was 652 calories. So I've already gotten a lot of my calories in the beginning of the day. Now, dinner depends. Sometimes I do rice and chicken a lot with a veggie. Pasta, I'll do Alfredo, spaghetti, toast, like with that. And then, like, in this video, I did turkey burgers, which I personally love. I love turkey. I've not ate, like, red meat in a while. I try to kind of, like, unless it's, like, sliced beef, like, Korean sliced beef is very thin, so I'll do that for a beef. I just try to do potatoes, asparagus. Like, make sure you get your greens in there as well. You don't want to just be eating carbs. Alright, that's enough of me talking. I'm sorry. I just want to get the basics in. You need to be working out with weights, and you need to be eating more calories and drinking your water. So we are going to get into the video of where I show you how I make my food and what I do. So keep on watching. So first, I'm going to start off with breakfast. So we have some eggs, some ham, some bread, cheese, peanut butter, and some yogurt. So this ham does have a ton of protein. I was very surprised. I was like, what? Okay, ham, 10 grams of protein. But also it has for 6 slices. So I'm only going to be using 2 slices. Here I have the Dave's Killer Bread. And this has 5 grams of protein. I have some peanut butter, 180 calories, which is really good, 7 grams of protein. Now with yogurt, I am lactose intolerant and milk does kind of break me out. So I try not to eat yogurt a lot. I am still trying to find like a alternative for that. But anyways, we're going to start with the eggs. So I have 2 eggs, got some olive oil in the pan, and I'm just going to add about 2, pinches of cheese for my eggs. So I'm just going to scramble my eggs. I'm not doing anything special. I just added my 2 slices of ham in there, some salt and pepper for some flavor, and just make sure your skillet's really hot. So here is my whole breakfast. I have my toast, my eggs with ham. I put some granola in my yogurt. This is 783 calories altogether. And I also got me some coffee because I love my coffees in the morning. And I make sure I try to drink 32 ounces of water. So there is breakfast. Lunch is probably my favorite time to do smoothies, especially when I'm home by myself, because it's super easy and convenient, and it's very filling. So I have strawberries, blueberries, some oats, protein powder. This is the Orgain. I just started using this. It is a plant-based. I was using whey, but that is milk-based and was breaking me out. So I wanted to switch it up. Have some honey, chia seeds, and of course almond milk because I'm lactose intolerant. And I just don't like real milk, I guess you could say, cow's milk, whatever. So I'm taking a half cup of blueberries, and these are all frozen. And then I'm taking a cup of strawberries. I'm going to be taking a half cup of oats. Now with oats, it makes it really thick, so I don't like to add too many, but it's very filling and good in protein. Now I'm taking 1 scoop of this Orgain organic protein powder, and this is in the vanilla. They also have chocolate, so if you want that for a chocolate smoothie. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. It's kind of hard to get out. And then a tablespoon of honey, and that's also anti-inflammatory. So when you're sore in your muscles, that will really help the honey well. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, and then I'm going to be adding almost a cup of almond milk. I ended up adding a little bit more when I was blending this, but I have the NutriBullet. So this smoothie was 652 calories, so that's really good, and you can add more or less. Now for dinner, it's my favorite. I love turkey, so we have some turkey burgers going, and you'll see Sarah in this because she was helping me cook. So we got some potatoes, and I added some asparagus in the oven, but I always like to cook my potatoes first. So the turkey burgers, now we're going in with the mustard and mayonnaise on our burgers, on the buns. And then we also have some sauteed peppers and onions. So it's just a really good, quick and easy dinner. And you can see the asparagus right in there. Nova Lynn, say hi. What are you doing? Hey. She's so cute. Say I'm ready to eat. I just had to add my niece in there. She gets so excited when we're over here cooking. But now we're just going to put the peppers and onions on our burger. And oh my gosh, y'all need to try this. Literally, this dinner was so good. My potatoes, asparagus, and everything. This dinner altogether was 881 calories. That's going to be all for this video, but I just wanted to go over the calories. So I took in 2,755 calories. So that's very good. I'm going to complete my diary. So if I went negative 254 calories every day, I would weigh 128.5 pounds. So I would definitely suggest that you download a calorie app. There is tons, but this one's free and it's worked for me for years. I've not had any problems, and there's like a premium version, and this is not sponsored in any way by any of the brands that I use today, the food, everything like that. Also, make sure you get a good protein powder. The one I just use is Orgain. I just started trying that out about a week ago or two. And like with plant-based proteins, they come with less. So like I got me a whey protein, which is like milk based, which is not good for you. Like I was breaking out and I just had to switch. And yeah, it's like $24 on the journey, but oh well. Like I would rather have something that's better for me going in my body and that has less than more and not good for your body, if that makes sense. So I feel like I've got 2 plant-based proteins and they come with less protein in it, but I feel like it's more beneficial, so I'm like, it's okay. So I like that. And also you can do that with just milk or water, like almond milk. For a snack, sometimes for a snack, I'll do a scoop of my protein powder with milk, and that gives me a lot of calories just in a little shaker bottle, a blender bottle, and you just drink that, and that's a lot of calories and a lot of protein, easy. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you want any more videos on my workouts, anything like that, please let me know. Once again, I am not a professional. I am not a nutritionist. I am not a personal trainer. This is all that worked for me. So if you use these tips and see any differences, please let me know. I also took a while on this video just because I did not want to only work out for a week or two and be like, oh, this happened. No. I made sure that my progress was consistent and that I was giving you all genuine results. I didn't want to just sit here and work out for a month and be like, oh my god, you guys, I gained weight in a month. No, because it's going to be a little bit more than a month depending on your body. I have fast metabolism, and that is why it was so hard putting on weight for me, just because it goes like that. So this has been consistent, and I have really loved seeing the progress and just my muscle mass overall. So yeah, sorry for my rambling, but I just wanted to get that all in for you guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it's been highly requested. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. If you want me to post on Instagram more about food or my little workouts, I know people do like the little workouts on there. If you like that as well, I can do that. Alright, you all, thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.